Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to World School Bangladesh. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to World School of Bangladesh. Today we will solve life related problem number 3. So here we are given a parallelogram where first of all, what is a parallelogram? Parallelogram is a shape where the opposite arms are equal. Here it is 2a meter, it will also be 2a meter, and if it is a meter, it will be also a meter, and this opposite arms will be parallel to each other. Parallel means that the angle it will create with horizontal, the angle it will create with horizontal, this BC arm will also be equal to the angle AD is creating with the horizontal. It means both are kind of leaning with same angle. Okay, that's called parallel lines. So our opposite arms will be parallel. Similarly, this and this will be parallel. So this called parallelogram. So we reverse. Okay, so we have in question A, we are asked to find out the area of parallelogram in more than one way with logical explanation. So we are not given any length or width of this parallelogram. We are just given the height of this parallelogram. So how we will find the area? So carefully look that this diagonal have been drawn from B to D, have divided this parallelogram in equal two parts. In this triangle, and in this triangle. This means it has divided it in two triangles, and the area of these two triangles are equal. So if we can find out the area of these two triangles and sum them, then we will find out the area of the parallelogram. This is one way. What is the another way? Another way is that if we can find out the arms of the value of these arms, then we can just simply multiply them, because in square we have in rectangular we have find that if it is given A and it is given B, then the area is AB. The rectangular is also a parallelogram because the opposite arms are parallel and equal to each other. That's mean we can also apply this formula of area in this parallelogram. So if we apply that formula, the area will be, okay, let's write area of parallelogram will be 2a into a. That's mean 2a square. But we are given only the height of this parallelogram. So how we'll find out using this 5 meters. So look here. If it is a 5 meter the height, if we consider triangle ABD, then if DF is our height, which is 5 meter, then what will be the base? The base will be AB. So AB is given as 2a meter. So our area of triangle ABD will be half into 5 into 2a. Now if this ABD is also equal to this BDC, right? That's mean if we sum area of triangle ABD and area of triangle BDC, we will get half of 5 plus 5 into 2a plus half of 5 into 2a. In short, we are getting 2 into half of 5 into 2a, which is 5 into 2a. So what is 5 into 2a? 5 is the height of this parallelogram, right? This is a parallelogram. We are measuring the distance between this arm and this arm, which is called the height of the parallelogram. So the height of this parallelogram and the base of the parallelogram, if we multiply them together, we are getting the area of this parallelogram. That means we have already found out two ways of finding out the parallelogram. One is multiplying the side a into 2a. Another is multiplying the height and base. Height is 5 and base is 2a. So these two will be equal. So a into 2a equals to 5 into 2a, which is 2a squared equals to 10a. Or we can write 2a equals to 10. So a equals to 10 divided by 2, which is 5. So we have get the value of a, which is 5 meter. So if a equals to 5 meter, then the area of the parallelogram, if we use this first method, a into 2a, we are getting 5 into 2 into 5, which is 50 meter square. And if we are using this height h and base b formula, then we are getting 5 into 2 into a, which is 5 into 2 into 5, 50 meter square. See, both using any formula we are getting same value. So the area of a parallelogram can be found out in more than one way. What is our second question? Second question, show that the area of the parallelogram field is equal to the twice the area of the triangle ABD. We have already shown that, right? Let me show you again. So we have already told you that the okay, let's do again. This is 2a, sorry, this is 2a, this is also 2a, this is a, that's, and this is a common arm. So if we are comparing ABD and BDC, if we are comparing two triangles, one is ABD and another is BDC, we're saying that AD is equal to BC, DC is equal to AB, and BD is their common arm. So that means these two triangles is equal. That means these two triangles are completely equal to each other. That means area of these two triangles will be same, right? So what is the area of this parallelogram? The area of this parallelogram is equal to the area of triangle ABD plus triangle of BDC. But as these two are equal, we can write ABD plus ABD. That means we can write 2 of ABD. That means the area of the parallelogram is equal to the twice of the area of the ABD. Simple, our B number math is also solved. So that's for today. See you on the next class.